we're at Canada Water today for the decathlon.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the battery.
Inside.
So how to pick it up?
There. Oh.
Ooh.
There.
That's the battery?
Yep. There. You hold it up. Like that. Then you pull it up. There.
Oh, then you charge.
Yep. So you put it back in. Put it. And close it. Close it. Wow, very sturdy the quality. So we are at Decathlon right now. Decathlon Surrey Keys in Canada Waters. Wow, this Decathlon damn big. So we just went through the skiing, snowboarding section. A lot of nice new stuff that we saw. So our requirement is a folding e-bike, so that we can bring it up the tube and everywhere. Plus the place we stay, we can just put it inside our living room. Wow, very nice to see. See this one? Ding! Wow, damn nice. I think fresh baby one. Yeah, this one. How much is this thing? Don't know how much is oh, this one.
Better? This better?
There, this one matte one.
You look funny, honey. F-U-N-N-Y, funny.
Yes?
Actually, okay also.
Look at this huge ass hiking boot. I think it's winter and you come and show you this one. See, they have this thing.
Oh, what's this?
Let you test your boot. For slippery. See, this one. Oh, then look at the tent.
Wow. Oh,
Damn big. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you try this one? There, this is a seat.
Quite nice also. Hey, actually quite nice, yeah.
45 pounds though.
Wanna buy one?
45 pounds though.
So can we try now?
And big. Like that, 300 pounds this thing. There, this thing. We have a responsibility. 45 pounds. Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah.
Oh.
See, the cup.
The cup very cute.
Then the plate like baby plate like that. But this one very good. I see. You lift.
Wow, heavy.
See, the handle is thick one. So I wonder the heat will conduct it. Wow, I want to see this one. Oh, what the equipment. All the wilderness equipment. Wow. You try? This one. Wow. There. Huh? Yeah, can we try one? That one, like that one? How does it taste? Garlic and mushroom pasta. Oh! 4 second rule. That's a nice Buddha. We're still at Decathlon at this Lodge Cafe.
You got the what already, right?
Yeah, I already scanned.
Please tap or insert your payment card.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
so nice.
Payment accepted.
Wow.
Thanks for shopping at
Just
Tesco.
because we got the club card, £1 cheaper.
Yeah, can you imagine?
£3. Yeah. You
The set printed.
see? Okay.
Sorry, do you mind taking it off?
Sorry.
Yeah, you see paying this one?
£3.80 for king size duvet and pillowcase.
Yeah, how paying
So we just sat down at this small little Sichuan takeaway. Like that. Oh, bit dirty. We spent a whole day there actually. No, the whole afternoon buying stuff. Tesco Extra stuff was really cheap. Sign up for Club Card if you haven't. We managed to buy our Decathlon portable cookware for 4 person. Now we're having dinner. So cute lah you. So we're having our last dinner in Canary Wharf before we
This
move
one
out.
you ask them to add, what's so much?
No, I did not. Don't know. It looks damn nice actually. Take out.
Okay, this beef.
So this is beef noodle, which is super nice. You guys got to come here and try. Although I don't know what is this place called, but I'll put a link in Google Map if you are in Canary Wharf. This super small place. You can get a seat.
Quite limited seat lah.
Yeah. Then that is like I don't know what's that, but it's 小炒肉 ah.
小炒肉.
Yeah, that's pork that one. You see a lot of steam because it's super cold right now. Even when you talk, right, there's condensation coming out from your mouth. Hun, come.
Maybe. Just put it there.
So yeah, this is just soup. That's beef noodle, 牛肉拉面. Then you put this chili oil. Oh my god, it's so damn nice. Yep.
Okay.
And this pork.
Alright, he give us extra.
Careful ah.
Okay.
Okay.
Makan, honey.
Makan. So that concludes our meal for tonight. Gonna head back, wind down, and pack our stuff. Remember to move to the new place tomorrow.